are our phonics dance hunks and chunks. Go ahead and say them with me. S-H, sh, sh, sh. A-L-L, A-L-L, all, all. A-L-L, A-L-L, all. Throw that ball. Car, car, C-A-R, we stick our arm in a jar of stars. A-R, R. O-R, or, I want more fish. I-N-G, ing, I am a king. W-H, wah, it's a question mark. Who, what, when, where, why, and which. C-H, ch, C-H, ch. Thumbs up, T-H. The Sweetie Sisters. Oh, ooh, ooh. The Bully Brothers. Oh, ooh. O-W-O, throw a snowball. O-A-O, it's a love boat. I-R-R, you are in the middle of a word, but it's E-R-R at the end of a word. When you see P-H, you don't say P, you say F. You love fruit? I do too. You, I, ooh. I-C-E, eyes. I-C-E, eyes. A-C-E, ace. A-C-E, ace. I'm so good. When you see the double E, you say E. It's a bumblebee party. When you see the double E, you say E. It's a bumblebee party. Party dance. E. I-G-H, I. I-G-H, I. Don't forget the T. Ite. E-W, chew. E-A-E, eat. I eat meat. Rain, you're a pain. A-I-A-A. E-I-G-H, A. Move those muscles, move those weights. O-I, oi. O-I, oi, in the middle of a word. But it's O-Y, oi. O-Y, boy, at the end of a word. I-N-K, ink. Think. A-N-K, ank. Put it in the piggy bank. A-W-R, A-U-R. Who writes a book? The author. O-W-Ow, the plow's behind the cow. Don't run him over or he'll go ow. O-U-Ow, O-U-T. Get out of here, you bumblebee. O-U-T, out. When you see G and you don't say G, you say N. A-Y, A. Do you want to play? Shoot, score, hooray! S-I-O-N, shun. S-I-O-N, shun. Make a good decision. T-I-O-N, shun. T-I-O-N, shun. Lights, camera, action! Shh. Don't wake the W. Shh. Don't wake the W. When you see K and you don't say K, you say mm. When you see ED at the end of a word, it can make 3 sounds, d, t, or id. When you see MB, you don't say b, you say Thanks for listening to our phonics chunks.